Hi, today we're working on the starter relay solenoid that's very common on all of the older Ford model products, the trucks, cars, everything, mounted over here usually on the fender well inside the hood. And what we're going to do is, this one's sticking, we're going to have to replace it. Let me show you the wiring. On this side we have the main hot wire coming down from the battery, along with some assorted ignition and accessory wires. We have the starter wire that goes down by itself from this side down to the starter. And this is the S wire that comes from the ignition, which energizes this relay, causing a magnet to move inside, connecting these two terminals together. Sometimes if this isn't working, you can test it by putting a pair of pliers across these two terminals and jumpering it, or by taking this cable here off and cranking it this way. So that tells you that you have good electrical juice flowing to this cable and through this cable and down to your starter. But this is actually sticking in the on position, where it's like trying to crank even when the engine isn't calling for that. When the key switch is in the neutral off position, it's still trying to crank. So we're going to remove all the wires on this, like that one and this one, set these aside. Then we're going to take all these wires off here, and two 8mm screws here and here to hold this to the fender well. We have my electric drill motor with a wire brush. We're going to use that to clean up the inside of the fender well so it has a good ground. There's no separate ground wire on these. These ground right to the body when you mount it up to the fender well. And we're going to also clean off the ends of the wire terminals that we put back on to make sure everything has good contact. The new one is right here. This is the heavy duty one from AutoZone. They sell two different grades of quality one, a standard one and a heavy duty one. And I'm recommending that people go with the heavy duty one because it seems like it's better made and it's not as sticky inside. We've had some trouble with two of these that we've replaced. So I'm going to recommend everybody get the heavy duty one and change the solenoid out if it's not working right. It's real easy to do. You can do it yourself and save some money.